How to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing when phone locked. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix your WhatsApp calls not ringing when phone is locked. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First step. To fix this problem, you'll need to ensure that WhatsApp is allowed to show alerts and make sound. So make sure at first that the do not disturb mode is not turned on. If it is, you can turn it off and again refresh your WhatsApp from the background and do all that basic stuff. So if nothing works, what you'll need to do is enable all WhatsApp notifications. To do that, locate your settings app and then open it up. Then head over to notifications. Under notifications, go to app notifications and from here find WhatsApp. Tap on it and from here make sure all WhatsApp notifications is enabled. So after you've done that, you can then just check specifically for call notifications of WhatsApp, and yeah, that should do it. If none of these works, you will then need to try some basic troubleshooting, such as checking your internet connection, restarting your phone. To restart your phone, you can press on the volume up button and power button together, and you'll find the restart button. Tap on restart and restart your phone. This is a simple but often an effective fix, and if this does not work, update your WhatsApp app. Go to your Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp, and after you find it, if you see an update button, tap on update and update the app. Doing all of those will fix your problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.